Disabling biometric login on Gate.io is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is secure without using biometric features. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Gate.io app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, find the Account or Profile section, usually located in the upper right corner. Click on it and look for Security Settings. Step 3. Locate Biometric Login option. In the Security Settings menu, search for the option related to biometric login, such as biometric authentication or fingerprint login. Step 4. Disable biometric login. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Save changes. After disabling the biometric login, ensure you save your changes. Look for Save or Confirm button and click it to finalize the process. By following these steps, you can successfully disable biometric login on Gate.io. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and two-factor authentication.